Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us the code for free gifts. Now, once you've downloaded the app, just search this code, okay? If you don't have the app, you can use the link in my comment section or in my description box to download the app. This is the code FRS 127497. Search this code and you're going to be offered free gifts. Okay, you're going to be offered free gifts. Now, you should know that free gifts in Temu come with terms and conditions. This is specifically for the new app users, but if you are an existing user, you can still use this code and see if it will work out for you. If it does, please let me know in the comment section, okay? Now, for the new app users, you can search this code in your Temu app. You need to search it in your Temu app. Right now, I'm not doing it in the Temu app because my other account is there and I can't show us there. I can show us better here on my Chrome browser. So for the new app users, search the code and you get to play a little game. Page is shown to you where you choose your gift. Okay, it is very important that you choose your gift from the page you're shown. Do not click out. After you're done choosing your gift, you might be given 6, 3, 2, any number of gifts they offer you. Now, after you're done with that, you need to pay for some items to activate this gift. Okay, Temu gifts come with qualified purchases. Yes, you need to pay for them. And then when you pay for them and you also need to choose the paid items from the page you're being shown. When you're done with that, if you do everything correctly, you're definitely going to be getting your gifts shipped together with your paid items. It's that easy, okay? If you want a detailed information on how you can actually get the things you want to be recommended to you as your gifts or your paid items, I have a video that I have done on that. I'm going to link it in my description box. You can check out the video and watch. In that video, I share things you can do to increase your chances of having the exact items you want being offered to you on Temu. If you do not do those things, you're going to be at the risk of, just getting random things that you may not even need or want. Okay, but if you do those things that I mentioned in that video, you're definitely going to be getting the exact items you need. So that is it. It's very easy to claim the free gift on Temu, especially if you're a new app user. If you're a new app user, do not leave out this gift, okay? It is your right to claim it. So go ahead and claim it by searching the code FRS 127497 in the search bar. All right? It's that easy. If it works out for you, please let me know in the comment section. And for the existing users, if you use this code and it also worked out, let me know, okay? If you found value in this video, please like, share, subscribe, and we can always communicate in the comment section, okay? Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!